Samsung's dual messenger feature makes it easy to use two WhatsApp accounts on one phone without extra apps. This built-in Samsung tool is secure, simple, and perfect for separating personal and professional communication while keeping both accounts active on the same device. To begin, open the Settings application on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Inside this menu, select Dual Messenger. You will see a list of supported apps such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, and Snapchat. Find WhatsApp and turn on the toggle switch next to it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to install a second copy of the app. Tap Install to continue. After installation is complete, a second WhatsApp icon will appear on your home screen or in the app drawer. The duplicated app includes a small orange badge on the icon, making it easy to identify the secondary version. This helps users avoid confusion between the primary and secondary accounts. Now open the original WhatsApp application first and use your main account normally. Then return to the home screen or app drawer and open the second WhatsApp application. You can register it using another mobile number and operate two completely separate WhatsApp accounts on the same Samsung phone. This feature is especially useful for professionals, freelancers, business owners, and users who want to separate work and personal conversations. Samsung's dual messenger system provides a reliable and professional solution for multitasking, while keeping both accounts active and independent on one device.